One weakness in the performance was balance, as during recovery they fell away from the crease, meaning the outcome was the balls going wide from the wicket, as the execution phase was poor. This next weakness is speed, as the execution phase was stiff and the bowler could not get enough speed on the ball, and the outcome was the batsman could easily hit the ball. Strength is also a weakness, as the performer has little strength in the execution phase and will have less power, and the batsman will be able to read the ball and get runs off it. One strength was his flexibility, as the performer had a good range of movement around his shoulder joint, meaning the preparation phase he could have good ball hand and ball position, and the ball was pitched in line. Coordination was a strength, as his footwork and arms were in sync during execution, meaning the ball was a good delivery. Agility, this was good as the recovery phase was quick, meaning the performer was able to get up and stop an incoming ball, saving runs for his team. His tactics, there was different range of tactics. Close fielding was a weakness, as the batting team noticed the change of field and were able to hit the ball over the field and score many runs from it. Another weakness is slower balls, as the batsman will be able to read this and will have more time to hit the ball into spaces and score runs for his team. And the last weakness is short pitch bowling, as it was executed badly and slowly, and the batsman was confident in the pull shot, meaning that he could score more runs for his team. One strength was boundary fielding, as the team had fielders in all the correct areas, which frustrated the batsman and led to the batsman getting caught trying to hit the ball for six. Good pitch bowling was a strength, as the bowlers were bowling good pitch deliveries at the batsman, so he could not hit runs, and this will stop the team from scoring and slow it down. Fast-paced bowling, the team were bowling fast, which caused the batsman to worry, and this therefore caused them to lose their wickets. A weakness for skills was his run-up, as he was coming in imbalanced and fell away from the crease, meaning the deliveries were going wide from the stumps and the batsmen were able to cut or pull them for runs for his team. Another weakness was catching, as in one example, the recovery phase from the ball was too slow and the ball came and he missed an opportunity for a wicket at a catch. Another weakness is variation, as most of his balls are similar, as the execution phase are the same thing every time, meaning the batsman was able to know what ball is coming next and score runs for his team. One strength was the pitch of the ball, as execution is perfect, meaning that he releases the ball at the right time and the ball is landing in the correct area, which will trouble the batsman. Another strength is line, as in the preparatory phase he is running at the right angle, meaning that the ball is going to pitch at the right line, where the batsman will struggle to hit it. Another one is stopping the ball, as every ball that got hit back to him he was able to recover from in the recovery phase and stop the batsman from getting runs. I've decided that the main weakness is the run-up. This will be his aim, so working on his balance and his run-up for the 8 weeks. It's 8 weeks so that adaptations will occur in his physical game and physiological game. The 8 weeks will be a mesocycle, meaning that he can target his aims through this, and it will be 2 microcycles of the 4 weeks with 4 different training drills. I will make sure it's specific to him, as the drills will be related to run-up and balance, and also elements of speed, as his speed was not quick enough. I will use overload, as I will increase the duration and frequency, as I will increase the duration of training sessions. I will also have a test on the 1st, 4th and 8th week, so I can check for progression and if there's any reversibility, which I hope there won't be, and I will want a 25% improvement in this test. These will be smart targets, as I will expect him to deliver it in the same area while improving his run-up. Sessions will be 1 hour at its highest and will be high intensity sessions, working on his skills and his fitness.